Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Hey, y'all, back again with another Lazy Wednesday. So, first thing we gonna do, we gonna chop this onion up real quick. Just a couple of quick chops. Choppy chop. This is the medium yellow onion. And hey, y'all, don't forget to give me that LSS. That LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Now I'm gonna hit our pan with some grapeseed oil. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then we're gonna get our Bartwurst in. That's right, y'all. Bartwurst. Can't go wrong with Bartwurst on a lazy day. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle, y'all. Listen to that sizzle. Anyway, once we get our Bartwurst in the pan, we're gonna add in our onions. Once we get all our onions in, we're gonna go ahead and give them a little stir right quick. You know, I know this thing like the onions are crowded, but that's okay. That is okay. We're just gonna sweat these a bit while Bartwurst cook, and they gonna come out perfect, y'all. They gonna come out perfect. So once that one side get a little color on it, we're gonna go ahead and get our brats flip. Give them that little flippy flip. Flip in that pan, y'all. Flip them in that pan. Now once we got all our brats flipped, we're gonna turn our attentions back to our onions. Get this all squared away. Cause you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt. A little fresh pepper. Man, we're gonna come in with our beer, y'all, once that other side gets brown. And this is probably around 8 ounces of beer. And all we're gonna do is just let this simmer just like this until all the beer evaporates from the pan. And hey, we gonna be ready to eat, y'all. We gonna be ready to eat. Now, you can use any type of beer that you like. And if you don't like beer, hey, use I would say some pork stock or some chicken stock or even beef, and let that simmer on down instead of the beer. But you have to realize when you use the beer, you're not going to get any alcohol because all of it's going to evaporate out and you're going to be left with this. Now don't that look beautiful, y'all? I know it look beautiful. So check it. Let's go ahead and build our dogs. So I'm coming in with that beautiful Bartwurst. And of course, we got to hit it with them beautiful onions that have been sauteed and simmered down to perfection. Don't those onions look good, y'all? Ooh-wee. I know I'm finna eat good. A little bit of my tasty homemade relish. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Just a great, tasty, lazy Wednesday meal, y'all. A tasty, lazy Wednesday meal. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.